Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a rollover IRA in Fidelity step by step clearly. To get started with installing a rollover IRA at Fidelity, visit the Fidelity website. If you don't have an account, click on the Open an Account button. Select IRA from the options presented. Choose the rollover IRA type for your new account. Click Continue to proceed with the application. Fill in your personal information accurately, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your employment details as requested in the application. You will then need to answer questions regarding your financial situation. After that, review the information you've entered for any errors. Once everything is confirmed, click Continue to move to the next step. You will now set up your account preferences, such as investment options and beneficiaries. Choose how you would like to fund your rollover IRA. If rolling over from another retirement account, select the appropriate option. Fidelity will provide instructions for initiating the transfer from your old account. Contact your previous plan administrator if necessary to initiate the rollover. Monitor the progress of your transfer through your Fidelity account dashboard. Once funds are transferred, navigate to your account to see your balance. Explore investment options available within your new rollover IRA. Select your preferred investments to complete your setup. Review and confirm all investment choices before finalizing. Your rollover IRA at Fidelity is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step